friends, today I come to you with part 2 of my unboxing of my Diamond Art Club. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Okay, so this one is a bigger canvas. Look at this. She is a round as well. Look at her. Woo! Y'all probably can't see her. She is sideways, the glare. Let's see. She is beautiful. This is the Sugar Plum Fairy. She is 56 by 89, which equivalent to 22 by 35 inches. Let's get this baby open. I am excited to see her. She was another that had been sold out for a while. They put her back out there. I was like, ah! So there's a couple more that I want. I know I'm not gonna go crazy with all these paintings, but just to have it in there in case one day I feel like working her, you know what I'm saying? So I have options. I am definitely going to get the ones I really like. My favorite artist has been Mandy Manzano, and I forgot to tell y'all that I think Nefertiti is by her, and Sugar Plum Fairy. Let me see. Yep, Mandy Manzano. Yep. So I've been buying hers a lot. I just love how they are. I love her artistry. So, all right. We have our normal kit. Same things in here. There's no placers or anything like that in here. It's just the normal kit. I love my sticker. There she is. Look how beautiful. Look how gorgeous she is. All right, and Diamond Art Fashion. This is one thing that I love that they're keeping in every kit so that I can kit them up. I love having this sticker. Put that on top of it. You always have it. You know what kit is what by looking at the photo. Again, and it has ABs. Yes! And there are 45 colors in here. And look like I got 2 ABs. Yes! All right, so let's get to this baby. Look at that. Do what makes you sparkle. Yes! Oh, this baby heavy. She's rolled up. I filled the drills. And she is bigger than my table. Yeah, bigger than my table area. Especially I got my computer and all that other stuff over there. Yeah. You got your step-by-step instructions. Look at these drills. Oh my God, there's an AB right there. Oh my God. Beautiful. She is huge. She is bigger than my mat. She is going all the way across. Oh my gosh. Look at the back of this canvas. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Feels so great. What are these spots on the back of here? There's a whole bunch of little things on here. Let's flip her over. Let's see. Let's turn her this way. Oh my goodness. Oh! She is beautiful. Look at that. She is a beautiful fairy. Oh my gosh. I didn't know she was this huge. She is beautiful. Look at those wings. Y'all see these wings here? Oh my gosh. She is gorgeous. Yes! I'm loving, loving, loving her. Let me flip her around. It'll be upside down, guys, but she's big. But that's okay. Loving her dress. Look at this dress. Pinks. Y'all know she gonna be hanging up in here. And what did I say? 45 colors? Wow, that's gonna be 2 boxes I got to fill up. Let's see, she has her picture down here. Whoop. Can't even get it together. All right, there is her thumbnail. Beautiful. Again, Mandy Manzano. It's a 56 by 89 Sugar Plum Fairy with ABs, round. Oh my gosh, let's look at this drill fill while I have it up. Y'all know Diamond Art Club fashion. Very clear. You can see every single symbol. I absolutely love it. So let's get her flattered, if I can. Good googly boo. When I work on her, yeah, she's gonna be the other way, so. Oh my gosh. Always sticky. Never have a problem. I'm gonna go lay her down over there on my little area. I'll turn it this way so I can open her up. Oh wow. She is so pretty. Yeah. Hopefully I'll have my table and everything. Oh Lord. That I can be able to work on her. Okay, this ain't working. This is not working. She's so huge. I gotta remember this size when I'm ordering from other companies. Then I know how big it'll be. Because this is gonna be huge and it's gonna take up one whole panel in my craft house. Shouldn't be wrinkled. Oh, that's doing the same thing. Maybe that's how poured glue does. Because I'm seeing that separation again here. Let's do the top. Wow. She is huge. Yeah. I'm going to have to pay attention to that. Because you know, it's going to take me forever to do this. Maybe a year. Maybe not. You know how we be saying. Depends on what's going on in my life. Oh Lord, can I just put that on there? I did. Okay. I will be taking this paper off, so I won't have to worry about it. I like to have it covered. Less intimidating. And messing it up. Because I don't have enough room. I thought I got a big enough table. But you get a big old painting like this. I want to get to these drills, but I keep pulling it right here. Yeah, there we go. I want to make sure this is covered up. I'm going to put it down. There we go. Beautiful. Something's going on right here. No wrinkles, nothing in her. There we go. Beautiful. Wow. Woo! Okay, let's flip her over. Let's look at these drills. Shoot, I don't know if she's gonna be able to fit right here, but I like that white background, guys, so y'all can see the drills better. Heavy bag, very heavy. All right. Let's pull my chair up. Let's get busy. And I got 2 ABs. I'm excited to see these. I saw one, but we're gonna see these babies close up. This is a huge bag of drills, guys. There it is on the outside. Round ABs, the Sugar Plum Fairy. Wow. Wow. That's all I can say when I look at all these drills. Wow. Okay. How many trains do we have? 1, 2, 3. You got 3 trains. All right, let's look at them. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be living that 310 life. I can see it already. All right, so this is the white, off-white, 3865. I got 603. Look at that beautiful pink. Oh, y'all know I love pink. Another shade of pink, 956. 3801. Ooh, that's a like a hot pink. 3705. Another pink. Yes. Then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Woo! 6 310s. Yep, living that 310 life. Oh my gosh, that black is so pretty. 3855, and look at this pink, 3609. Oh, yes, baby, yes. She is gorgeous with those pinks. Let's get this second train, see what's going on with this train. Whoop, we got a backwards train. All right. So then we got 602, another beautiful pink. 743, 340. That purple is pretty. Ooh, look at this one. That teal. 3811, 3859, 353, 758, 321. That's a red. 3829, 3778, 3856. Ooh, look at this beautiful light pink. 819, 356, 775. I love this one too. That teal, that mint color. That's like a mint or baby blue. Really can't tell. That number, this is a very beautiful red. I love it. I just gonna say the number. 352, and it looks like I have two of those. Oh, AB. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Look at that pink. OMG. Look at that sparkle. What? Oh, and I got so much of it. Oh, I love that. And then I got 3865, two of these. So that's gonna be a lot too. Let me see, was this one 360, 38? Yeah. So I have 3 bags. That was just started on a different train. And then here's the last train. Let's see, that was 1 AB and I think I have 2. So let's look and find it. Here's 912, 350, 720, 996, 3777. There it is, 136. Oh my gosh, look at that purple. Oh, now y'all can really see the AB finish on that, can't you? Look at that. Ooh, that is so pretty. These colors are gonna be popping off this canvas. I can't wait. So I got 351, 155, 327. Ooh, this one's pretty too. Y'all see I'm partial to the pinks and the teals. This is 3846. That is beautiful. 347, 498, 797. That purple's pretty. It's a different shade of purple, but both of these are purple. This is more on the blue end. 3746, 598, 333. Getting to my pinks again. 718, beautiful. 3706, 208, purple, and then last but not least, 519. Wow. Wow. Yep. I'm trying to think, is this my biggest canvas yet? I think it is. I don't think the Cottage by the Lake is this big. It's not. It's not. This is the largest to date. And to be honest, I don't think I need anything bigger than this. So I'm gonna make sure I try to stay within that, 56 to 89 or 90, because my girls' canvases are 90. I think that's long enough. I don't need nothing bigger than that, because this is gonna take me a while. And she's gonna be perfect up there on my probably fit on my ceiling. So shining down. Oh, this is gonna be so nice to work on, guys. And I'm definitely gonna get my drafting table and light pad when I start working on her, because I need it to be hanging over and not hanging down like that. She is so pretty. Look at this face. Now I am a little, this nose right here, it look kind of, I don't know what it is, but something about this nose. Hopefully y'all are seeing what I'm seeing, but she is beautiful nonetheless. And is this butterflies in her hair? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, she is beautiful. Sugar Plum Fairy. Y'all let me know what you think. Look at all these beautiful drills. These colors are amazing. Diamond Art Club, you done it again, baby. I absolutely love Mandy Manzano. She is one of my favorite artists on Diamond Art Club site. I have been purchasing hers, yeah. So there are a couple more. I think I can't remember his name. He does a lot of the scenery too, but I've only ordered that one from Cabin by the Lake, but I've ordered several of Mandy Manzano. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. I know you're excited for me to kit this up and get to working on it so y'all can see the final product. So y'all let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.